Hey everyone! Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about the Boost Summit 5G, the newest budget 5G smartphone at Boost Mobile. The Boost Summit 5G is designed to give you an elevated experience with powerful hardware and great connectivity. The full retail price is $94.99. But here's the best part. If you're switching to Boost Mobile, the Summit 5G is free with port-in and unlimited premium $60 plan required. Not a bad deal for a feature-packed phone. At 6.6 inches, its HD Plus display offers a 720x1612 resolution with a smooth 90Hz refresh rate, giving you responsive visuals and a 20.9 aspect ratio, perfect for enjoying media or multitasking comfortably on a screen that maximizes content. For photography, the Boost Summit 5G provides a solid camera setup. The 13-megapixel main lens captures clear and detailed images, while the 2-megapixel depth sensor helps create a more professional bokeh effect for portraits. The front-facing 5-megapixel camera lets you take bright selfies and video calls powered by the MT6835B Zo octa-core processor. The Summit 5G is built for smooth multitasking, gaming, and overall performance. With 4 GB of RAM and running Android 14, you'll have access to the latest software features and security updates. Its robust 5,000 mAh battery is engineered for all-day use. And with 10-watt fast charging, you can quickly top up your battery and get back to what matters. Efficient power management in Android 14 also extends your battery life further. The Summit 5G includes 64 GB of internal storage. And if that's not enough, you can expand it up to 128 GB with a microSD card, according to PhoneScoop. Ideal for those who love having their favorite apps, photos, and videos on hand. 128 GB is a bit low for external storage in 2024. With 5G connectivity, you'll experience faster download and streaming speeds, while Bluetooth 5.2 ensures more reliable connections to wireless devices. Wi-Fi 5 keeps you connected at home or on the go. The Boost Summit 5G, free when you switch to Boost Mobile. With a smooth 90Hz display, 10-watt fast charging, and flagship features, it's an incredible value that keeps you productive, entertained, and connected without breaking the bank. That wraps up our look at the Boost Summit 5G. If you enjoyed this video, please rate, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching.